Hey guys, it's your girl. So, sorry I look like a hot mess express up in these streets, but I want to show you guys a really quick recipe on sweet sriracha Brussels sprouts. So it seems to be really popular. Don't mind me, I look rough up in these streets because I'm at work, and I hope you don't hear the background music, so I'm trying to talk really loud. And then I'm gonna also add in music because so you don't hear the background music. Anyways, welcome to the first edition of Chef with an F. Yes. So what you're gonna need is Brussels sprouts, but you're gonna need it to be sliced in half. And then you're gonna need sriracha. I get the big kind because I have to make a lot, you know. And then you're gonna need brown sugar. It doesn't matter what brand. You just need brown sugar. I have dark brown sugar, but you can use light brown sugar. It doesn't matter. And then you're gonna need a really big bowl. And then I'm gonna show you what it looks like throughout the steps or whatever. And then it seems to be really popular among my case. So yes, if this video gets really good, I'll show you another recipe that I can show you guys. That seems to be really popular. So let's get her started. Okay, so whenever you have all your Brussels sprouts in the bowl, you grab the sriracha and you kind of pour it in. I always eyeball it, so put as much as you want, pretty much. Hold on, I'll be back after. Okay, so I kind of got interrupted, but this is a lot of sriracha. I kind of eyeballed it like I said, but like it's a lot of Brussels sprouts. I have to make 4 of these little pans, so it'll be enough, you know. Then I kind of eyeballed the brown sugar too, and I kind of overdid it with the brown sugar. But you can put as much as you like of either the sriracha or the brown sugar. If it's too much of the brown sugar, you can put less of the sriracha if you don't like it spicy, and you can add more of the brown sugar if you like. I don't know. But what I've heard on the street, a lot of people like it, but they kind of made it a little sweet sometimes, you know. But I'll show you the final product here in a minute. So it should look something like this when mixed all together. Just a warning, it does get sticky, so wear gloves when mixing them. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys try this and if you guys like it or whatnot. Bye!